I'd like to work on other things like the rear tires or Blondie, but to be honest with you, I got to do something about the hydraulics. On this whole last event I was at, I had to bleed out the hydraulics every time I went out on a recovery, which is no fun at all. So I got to figure out what's going on with the hydraulics. So I'm hoping it's my pump. Well, I'm not actually hoping it's my pump, but I think it's my pump. See, I've checked out the suction line, I've checked out the tank, and both of those are good. So if it's anywhere after that, it wouldn't show up as aerating in my pump. So it's aerating in my pump. It's got to be the suction line, the tank, or the pump itself just isn't up to snuff anymore. And even when they were working awful slow. So I pulled the trigger and we got us a new pump. We got us a new pump off of Amazon. I hope it works.
What's this?
It's a new pump for the truck. I hope it works.
And how much did that cost?
Well, it wasn't cheap.
Sorry, Blondie, you're gonna wait. Will I have one of these on Blondie?
Yes, you will eventually have a pump on Blondie.
Why are you taking that bolt off? It's over here.
I have to take the belts off.
Oh. So what can I help with? Do these need to come off?
Nope.
Just back here?
So these two need to come off and the 4 bolts that hold it down to the plate.
Oh, okay.
And then this wire.
No, not mine. And I have a 1 3/8.
1.5 inches. There we go.
How about this one?
Well, they got to go together. So push on that one, pull on that one. There we go. Who turned you into a mechanic yet?
Maybe. I'm still gonna make other people do my work.
Oh, we got to get those 2 out.
How are you gonna get them 2 out?
I don't know.
Will your little wrench that swivels with a long extension work?
Wait.
Let's try that.
Well, doesn't want to stay on there, but I think I got it loose.
Okay, maybe I can, if you got it loose, maybe I can,
Let's see if I can get the other one.
do the rest with my fingers. Here's one.
Okay.
And where's that other one at the front here? Right?
Yeah.
How are you getting it if my little fingers can't get it?
I have a little wrench.
Ah.
But now I need your little fingers.
Gotcha.
There we go. We need the big crescent wrench. Oh. Okay, we got some fittings. I think we got what we need, so we can put together our pump. Lock this in. I'll lubricate the O-ring a little bit. Okay. Now, this one. And 3/8. Okay. Now, a little Teflon tape, but we got to keep it back from the end of the threads because we don't want to get any in the hydraulic system. Okay. Now, okay. Now, that one. Okay. There we go. Now, this one's a little bit longer than the old one. This one's a little bit shorter, but we should be able to make up the difference in the hoses. Can you put a finger on top of that bolt?
Certainly can.
coming together. Okay, now comes the moment of truth. We got to bleed out the pump and see if it works. So yeah, go ahead and fire it up. And when I tell you to, turn the pump on. Boy, does that move fluid. Wow.
Did you do that?
Yes. We made a mess everywhere. Pump off. Start it up. Such a mess under the hood, we gotta wash our engine bay.
You wanna see something, girls? Look at this. Orange. I wonder where that comes from.
Okay, just a hair, just bump it a little. Bump it a little more. One more time. Once more. That's good, perfect. Can't forget to put the hook back into place. Well, that's about as ready as the wrecker's gonna get. But this event is an overnighter and it's getting a little cold out, so we gotta get our generator running. Well, it runs. We're heading down to southern Minnesota. A couple days of wheeling. Toys for Tots run. It's a good cause. Well, thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling. Stay safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods. So, we got a little treat here. We got a neighbor decided to bring over his rat rod and show us. So we're going to take a look at that. It's a 38 Dodge truck here with a 360, and he built it himself, and he drives it all over the place. He says it's geared so it'll do 70 miles an hour. It'll keep up with stuff on the freeway, and he has a good time. And he sure gets lots of looks.